we burning it up. Step in the building, we turning it up. Talking that shit, but they never admit when I sit to the mic, I be murdering it and we living real good. Mainstream, but it's
Yo, what's up guys? It's your boy Jellyfish Miller here, back with another video, and today guys, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get really low ping in Fortnite. No matter what kind of PC you have, no matter what Wi-Fi you have, you're always going to get really low ping in Fortnite. So like and subscribe, hit the notifications bell, and yeah. First thing, you should have Ethernet. If you don't have Ethernet, that's fine. These steps will still work for you, but Ethernet generally helps with low ping. But even if you don't have Ethernet like me, Wi-Fi is still a pretty good option. So like I don't have Ethernet because I don't want to waste time setting up like an Ethernet cable and plugging it all the way to our router, because my router is all the way in the dining room. It's not even in my room. So yeah, I'm going to be showing you guys how to do it. So first, what you want to do, you want to click on Windows button, type in Control Panel, and open Control Panel. Now what you want to do is, since you're in category, you want to click View by Category and click Large Icons. Then what you want to do is click Network and Sharing Center. And then you're going to be this. So as you can see, your access type, it'll say what access type you have. So mine's internet, but I don't have Ethernet. Just told you guys why. So my connections are Wi-Fi Formula 22. So you want to click the Wi-Fi you're in. Now what you want to do, you want to click Properties. And now what you want to do, you want to click on, you want to have on Network, and you want to have everything disabled except for Link Layer Topology Discovery Responder, Internet Protocol version 4, and Reliable Multicast Protocol. So you probably won't have Reliable Multicast Protocol. I'm sorry to say is, why is Fortnite on? Alright, you're probably not going to have Reliable Multicast Protocol on, guys. You probably won't have as an option, so I'm going to tell you how. You want to click Install, go in Client, try to find if it's not there, then X out, go to Service. If Reliable is not there, go to Protocol, and it'll probably be there. So now you want to add it and enable it. So these are the things you want to have enabled. So you want to click Apply, then OK, then Close. Now you're done with this step. Alright, for this next step, what you want to do, you want to type in Windows, and you want to type in Control Panel. You want to, if you're in category, you want to go to Large Icons. And now what you want to do, you want to go to Device Manager, be on the PC you're on, go to Network Adapters. Now what you want to do, you want to right click on Realtek Family Controller. It might not be Realtek for you, but anyways, it has to have controller in it. Has to be your controller. So just double click on it. Go to Advanced. Now once you're in Advanced, what you want to do is go to Advanced EE. You want that disabled. ARP Offload, you want that disabled. Auto Disabled Gigabyte, you want that disabled. Energy Efficient Ethernet, you want that disabled. Flow Control, you want that disabled. Gigabyte Light, you want that enabled. Green Ethernet, you want that disabled. Interrupt Moderation, disabled. IPv4 checksum offload, disabled. Jumbo Frame, disabled. These two, you want these two disabled. Maximum number of RSS queues, you want it to be 4 queues, or whatever max queues you have. So, yeah. Network address, you want that not present. NS offload, you want that disabled. Power saving mode, obviously, you want that disabled. Priority and VLAN, you want to have priority and VLAN enabled. Receive buffers, you want that 512 or whatever your maximum is. So type in 999. It's gonna show. Then it's gonna say it's out of range, and it'll show your maximum. So mine's 512. So I'm just gonna type in 512. Receive side scaling, you want that disabled. Shutdown wake on LAN, you want that disabled. Speed and duplex, you want that 100 Mbps full duplex. These two, you want this one. You want TX enabled. Checksum offload IPv4. And this one you want the disabled. Transmit buffers, you want it just like the before, put 999, then you'll see your maximum. Mine's 128. UDP, you want both of these disabled. Wake on Magic Packet, you want that enabled. Wake on Magic Packet when system, you want that disabled. Wake on Pattern Match, enabled. Wall and shutdown link speed, you want that 100 Mbps first. So yeah, click apply, then okay. Oh wait, another thing with this is you want to go to power management. You want these two off. Then go to driver and see your driver date. If your driver date, so like mine's February 12th, 2020, which means my driver is up to date because the last update for my Realtek controller, it has to be your controller, by the way. My last update for my Realtek controller was on February 12th, which means mine is definitely up to date. Drivers are usually really old, so yours might say 2018 or something like that. And don't be alarmed if it's that. What you want to do, you want to go to your driver provider. So mine's Realtek. I don't know about yours, but mine's Realtek. So you want to go on the website on Google Chrome. You want to go to the website and then do an update driver and find Windows 10 update driver. And then, yeah, just basically click update driver. So you want to download the driver, click browse my computer for driver software, and upload the file where you want to update your driver. So this is a really, really crucial step, guys. And yeah, so that was the video. See you guys in the next video. Bye-bye. Peace out. Bye-bye. Peace out. Bye-bye. Peace out. Bye-bye. Peace out.